Nature is one of the best teachers. You can be yourself in nature because the trees are not judging you, the sun behind me is not judging me. We don't have this fear that people are looking at us and judging us when we are in nature. That's why not only the color green that helps us, or the blue sky, but also the fact that you can be. So surround yourself with people who celebrate your authenticity, who appreciate you for who you are, who are not trying to change you. And you will begin to see that life becomes more and more beautiful and meaningful.